Hi, I'm Poppy and I am Timstar's junior scientist. Hi, this month Timstar have sent me some neodymium magnets to experiment with. Neodymium is a rare earth metal and these magnets are super strong. I want to show you an experiment I found that combines two of the common properties of magnets: magnetic field and magnetic transference. For this experiment I need a thin piece of wood. I'm using a ruler, an old wire coat hanger, a watch battery and some neodymium magnets. I bent the wire hanger and attached the ruler like this. Not only does the magnetic field enable the magnets to work in the distance, but it can also penetrate through other objects such as a wooden ruler. This means if I place my battery on top of the wood and slide the magnet along underneath, the battery will move with it. However, watch what happens when I make contact with the wire and then move the battery. Now the battery travels along the wire instead of the wood. This is caused by magnetic transference. The battery acts as a bridge, gaining and transferring some of the attracting properties of the magnet and making the wire magnetic too. The physical connection between the wire and the battery, along with the gap between the battery and the magnet, make it act like it is levitating. I hope you enjoyed this experiment. Thanks for watching. Bye! Watch out for more of my videos on Timstar's Junior Scientist page. While you're there, why not take a look at the Timstar Knowledge Hub, where you can see experiments from Franz Scott to Stephen Gates.